In 1910, Teddy Roosevelt met Emperor Franz Joseph I, and he asked the emperor to explain his job. Emperor simply replied, "The idea of my office is to protect my people from their politicians." And so the cowardly Prime Minister of Spain is now sending his minister after the king. The response to King Felipe's recent visit to flood-stricken Valencia has exposed a shocking contrast in Spain's leadership. After standing shoulder to shoulder with his people in one of the nation's darkest hours, the king now finds himself the target of criticism, not by the public, but from his own government. While King Felipe and Queen Letizia remained on the ground, drenched in mud and water, directly facing the anger and grief of the people, Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez cowardly fled. Now, instead of showing solidarity, Sánchez's administration is questioning the king's visit. The Prime Minister himself didn't make this accusation. Instead, he sent his Transportation Minister, Óscar Puente, to do it for him. Puente suggested that perhaps it wasn't the most opportune moment for the king to visit, hinting that Felipe's presence may have disrupted rescue efforts. I guess it is never a good moment when pro-Republicans are shown clearly as what they are, cowards. But let's not forget, it was the king who first prioritized emergency response, publicly stating that the safety of those affected came above all else. As he arrived, locals, angry and desperate, hurled mud and water. But did King turn away? No. Even as the crowd's frustration became physical, he dismissed his security's attempt to shield him with an umbrella, choosing to stand before his people. This was a king who wanted to be seen, not as a distant figure in a palace, but as a leader who genuinely cares, even when emotions run high. The Queen, too, stayed and listened to the frustrations of the people. One citizen told her, "This is not because of you, madam." A reminder that the anger of the people was not directed at the monarchy, but at the socialist government who had truly failed them. Instead of focusing on coordinating better assistance, politicians directed their energy toward questioning the king's motives. And why is this? Because perhaps socialists are pro-Republican, or perhaps the king's actions stand as a reminder of the strength that the monarchy represents. A strength that does not waver when the people are hurting, or maybe both. King Felipe is sending a clear message. Monarchy is about serving, even when it is uncomfortable. Remember, if you'd like to support the people affected by these tragic floods, consider donating to the Spanish Red Cross. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.